The Lawnmower Crew is here. This is the excitement. Can you hear it? Can you hear the lawnmower? Can you hear the lawnmower people? Can you hear him? The lawnmower people? Oh, I hear him. Maybe he's gonna work another one now. Where is it? Do you want to get down? Do you want to get down? Where's those lawnmower people? Oh, I can hear him. Okay, I'll let you go down. Come on. Can you hear him? Those lawnmower people? They're not on this side. They're on the front side. They're on the front side. I'm not letting you out. You guys are crazy. I'm not letting you out. They're up front. They're on this side. Come on. I'll show you. Come. We're this way. Uh-oh. I think they're coming to the backside. The lawnmower guy. You're not going outside when the lawnmower guy is here. I know you want to bark at them, but you cannot go outside when he's here. You're not allowed to. You're not allowed to when he's here. They don't want you boys to bother them. Mm-mm.